Hello everyone, you are with me, Tisha. Today I'm going to teach you IELTS examination, section 3, the most difficult one. Okay, let's go. I'm going to use system thinking and cybernetic, like a Maths-Sci to analyze the question by the correct letter A to G. You may use the letter more than once. Okay, but I'm going to tell you about the technique. Here the information is the different amount of sleep that people required. First, you have to know different. So that means it's different. For example, some people might sleep 7 hours, 8 hours, or some people might sleep just 3 or 4 hours. So amount of sleep is here, and what the people require. Well, see the next one. What we're going to do, we're going to use our critical thinking here. Okay. I will do example for you. I will do number 28 and number 35 for you. And I would like to link how to use Maths-Sci or system thinking and cybernetic. Link with how to analyze the IELTS examination. Okay. Let's see. Number 28, again, the different amount of sleep that people require. See this one, I'm going to point for you. Well, section A, they use about estimate that average man and woman need between 7.5 and 8 hours sleep a night. Okay, I point for you here. 7.5 and 8 hours sleep a night. Well, if we write down here, you can see from this one from section A. But you know about the question, we try to match. We try to find the question with find the section that match with the information in the question. See this one again, the different amount of sleep that people require. Okay. Section A, 7.5 or 8 hours sleep. Yeah. And then if you read the next one, some can manage on a lot less. For example, report by that only 4 hours sleep a night. You can see this one, they say 4 hours. Well, if you skim and if you read more, Dr. Jill Wilkinson, senior lecturer in psychology at this university, they could say that in some people, look at this one, interesting information as well. I use different color. You could see from here, some people sleep less than 5 hours, or some could be little as 2 hours. You can see that thing that is different between each people, right? This one 5 hours, this one could be that 2 hours. All of this one is referred to. You use your critical thinking again. For 2, 4, 5, 7.5 or 8 refer to different. Yeah. And all of them here is kind of like an amount of sleep that people require. This one. So, all of these numbers refer to amount of sleep. Amount of sleep. So that means number 28 that you want to match information, the different amount of sleep that people require is in section A. So your answer for 28 is A. Remember that you have to match section A to G. You can use the letter more than once. Okay, I'm going to skip to number 35 for you. Number 35, the technique is you have to read the question at least twice. Okay, the process involves dealing sleep. Which one is the process? And another one, dealing sleep. That means what the process or action that happen when you sleep. Okay. But before we go to the next one, I would like to teach you some kind of vocabulary as well. How about you look at this one? How about we learn more about vocabulary here? Well, one that very interesting is in here. Therapeutic practice. Okay. If you want to know what is therapeutic practice is, you should know this word, therapeutics. Therapeutics means it's linked with the happier or more relaxed. Happier or more relaxed. Okay, just learn some vocabulary as well. Well, vocab. Okay, how about we say the next one really quick? Okay. We go next to our question again, the process. Well, you have to know what does the word process mean. Process means like action, yeah? Involve dealing sleep. How about I try to show you this one. If you scroll down and then you see about the section D. Okay. For many people, lack of sleep is rarely matter of choice. Some have problem getting to sleep, others they sleep until morning. But if you can see this one, the research shows that there are 5 states of sleep. So that means called like state 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 states of sleep. That one refer to process, yeah? Because the word state refer to process 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And then you could see the process like a you're gonna say have the sequence here. The first light phase, and then you go to the next 2 states. That means they try to explain state 1, 2, 3, next 2 states. And then if you scroll down reading, well, you can see that one they talk about in state 4. Unusual rest after an hour. The slumber is so deep that, okay, if you learn about vocabulary a little bit, slumber means like, slumber is now. Refer to sleep and not awake. Sleep and not awake. And then they go to the process number 5 here. In the 5th state, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5th state, is a rapid eye movement, or you could see it here. I point here for you. Rapid eye movement, REM. Here is in the process in number 5. If I have more time, we can go to the detail and translate for you. But now I would like to bring Maths-Sci to how to analyze IELTS examination. Now you know that all of them is process, and all of this process is dealing. Dealing when? Dealing what? Dealing sleep. So you have to find out which one that relate with that. So you find out number 35 is D dog, because process they refer to state 1, 2, 5, yeah, and dealing sleeping is all of that process. Said 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's it. That is how you analyze IELTS examination by using Maths-Sci concept or critical thinking. I hope you enjoyed the video, and feel free to follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and my YouTube channel TishaTutor. I see you later. Bye.